and welcome to my studio, everybody. Lovely to have you all here, and this is my setup in Hoylake for the next workshop that I'm going to be doing with Studio 56. And you can see here we have the sketch pad, the Fabriano hot press sketch pad, spiral bound, all ready to go. There we have the image that we're going to be working from, that beautiful, beautiful little footbridge, the Ponte de Lagnella. Over here we have the paints. There is the colours, which we'll talk about later on. Permanent mauve, transparent orange, cadmium yellow, Prussian blue. So 3 really kind of strong, powerful, warm vibrants to be offset with the deep, rich, cool Prussian blue. There is my little sketch that I've done, a little pre-sketch, just to help me work out the composition of the tonal value, and just a few little notes as well. There's the brushes, the flats, and the round-headed ones, and a couple of riggers. There's a little water sprayer, and a little water sprayer over there. Here we've got all the pens, a selection of different pens. There's the Tombow brush pens, and there are the fine liners, and over on the right you can just see there's the uniballs, the rollerball ones. For today's workshop, I'm not going to be using Derwents, I'm going to be using Staedtler just for a change, because it's quite nice to use different fine liners occasionally, okay? And there is the setup for my studio for today's workshop.